all time free and busy and listen to you all everyone.
Okay, do you like to right now conversation with me?
Yes, I am ready and
Okay.
please ask me.
Okay, so I would like to ask you this helping verb. Our helping verb is could. Um, so could you speak in English?
Yes, I could speak English. No, I couldn't speak English.
Could you speak Spanish?
Spanish. What is Spanish?
This is language for this European country from
Oh, sorry. Yeah. No, I couldn't speak Spanish.
Okay. So could you cook biryani for your family?
Yes, I could cook biryani for my family, and no, I couldn't cook for biryani my family because I cook today fish curry.
Okay. When could you cook biryani for your family?
I cook when?
Yes, when. That's mean কখন.
Oh yeah. Friday noon, cook biryani for my family.
Okay, that's fine. Good. Could you make a software for yourself?
Yes, I could make a software myself and my daughter. No, I couldn't make software myself and my daughter.
Could you make a new Excel sheet for your job? There is work.
Yes, I could make a Excel sheet for my job and my office work.
Okay. Could you know? Could you know about this European country?
Europe country. Please again more.
Could you know? Could you know about European country?
Yes, I know about European country because my husband stayed there and all time every day conversation with my husband. So I know that I know European country for US, UK.
Okay, that's one good. Right now, thank you very much, MD Mrs. Beauty Apu. Thank you for your.
Okay, thank you everyone. I listen to you all over.
I will come inshallah again. I will come back again. So right now I would.
Yes, you pray. You
Yeah.
all over pray for me and my daughter and my family. Okay, I listen to you. Okay. Allah Hafiz.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Right now I would like to call Miss Raisa. Raisa, are you here?
How are you, sir?
Fine, Alhamdulillah. How about you?
I'm fine.
Okay. Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
Negative form.
Cannot speak English.
Okay. Can you cook rice?
Yes, I can cook rice. No, I cannot cook rice.
Okay. Can you no? Will you buy a new dress for yourself?
Yes, I will.
Buy
No,
no
buy a new dress
for myself.
for myself.
Myself. Okay. Thank you so much, Mrs. Raisa. So right now I would like to again please mute yourself. Thank you very much for your speech. Your speech is very well. So right now I would like to again come back our structure. We are ready. বর্তমান প্রশ্নের ক্ষেত্রে ব্যবহৃত হচ্ছে ডু ডাস উইও নো we know about where we use this do and where we use this does. do হবে যখন সাবজেক্ট আমি এবং তুমি বাদে, আমি এবং তুমি এরা হচ্ছে ডু ইউ, আই অ্যাম ডুইং, লাইক ফার্স্ট পারসন সেকেন্ড পারসন ডু হবে, থার্ড পারসন হবে ডাস। আমি এবং তুমি বাদে পৃথিবীতে যা আছে সব কিছুই হচ্ছে থার্ড পারসন। পৃথিবীতে যা আছে, আমি এবং তুমি বাদে পৃথিবীতে যা কিছু আছে সবই হচ্ছে থার্ড পারসন। যারা আমাদের শুনতেছে বা যারা আমাদের দেখতেছে বা যাদের সম্পর্কে আমরা তাদের গুণবাচক কথা বা তাদের দোষ গুণ অবস্থা নির্ণয় করতেছি তারাই হচ্ছে থার্ড পারসন। সেটা হতে পারে প্লুরাল, হতে পারে সিঙ্গুলার। যখনই সে সিঙ্গুলার, যখন সে একা, এবং তখনই সে প্লুরাল যখন তার সাথে অন্য কেউ রয়েছে, লাইক দে, দে। সো বর্তমান প্রশ্নতে ডু ডাস, সাবজেক্ট প্লাস ডু অথবা ডাস, সাবজেক্ট প্লাস ডু অথবা ডাস